Welcome to The Green Planet, where we're on a joint mission with Kiabi to preserve our beautiful Earth for future generations. At Sri Anuragavi Garments, we believe in change, and it starts right from the source. We majorly source our fabric from Shivraj spinning and knitting mills. What sets them apart? They are powered by the sun and the wind.
Targeting 100% sustainable power by 2026, we are currently at 60 to 70% from solar and wind energy, cutting down carbon footprints.
Dyeing is an essential process, but it doesn't have to harm the planet. Our dyeing unit in Erode is a prime example.
Here, we dye tons of fabric in a single day, but what's more remarkable is that 60 to 70% of the power comes from clean, renewable sources like solar and wind.
And the water we use? We ensure efficient treatment of the water we use in our dedicated effluent treatment plants, allowing us to reuse 90% of it, preventing any pollution of our precious natural resources. The heart of our operation, Sri Anuragavi Garments, is where the magic happens. We take pride in empowering the women from our nearby communities. "90% of our employees are strong, talented women, showing that empowerment is more than just a motto, it's our way of life. And our commitment doesn't stop here. We're one of the leading users of renewable energy in the industry. Our facility is powered by a remarkable 30 megawatts from windmills and solar plants, accounting for 100% of our total energy usage, including units such as printing, embroidery, and garmenting. At our facility, rainwater harvesting is an integral part of our sustainability efforts, allowing us to harness approximately 1.2 million liters of rainwater for essential needs such as drinking and maintaining lush gardens. We motivate our suppliers to embrace our mission, aiming for a 100% sustainable supply chain by the year 2024. The Green Planet isn't just a dream, it's our reality. Join us in our journey to conserve nature and create a sustainable, greener tomorrow.